How to find and add nearby friends on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to find and add nearby friends on Snapchat. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch a Snapchat app on your device. Log into your account. Head towards the map icon at bottom left corner. And first of all, you need to make sure to enable the map or the location on Snapchat. Also, you need to head towards the settings or gear icon at top right, and if the ghost mode is enabled, you need to toggle the button off. Now from this map, you can choose any area. Simply select one. Let me choose. So it is not been able to find here currently. So let's look for any other region. So once you have selected any users, you can easily open their profile and then you can simply tap on add. And once you do that, you will successfully add and find the nearby friends on Snapchat. So that is it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.